హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇంగ్లీష్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ వాళ్ళ స్టాల్లో ఉన్నాము. ఇది వన్ ఆఫ్ ద టాప్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఇన్ ఆర్ట్స్ సెక్షన్. సో ఇక్కడ మేడం ఉన్నారు. ఒకసారి ఈ మేడంని అడిగి ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళు ఏం ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నారు అనేది ఒకసారి తెలుసుకుందాము. హలో మేడం.
హలో అండి. గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్. దిస్ ఇస్ డాక్టర్ Manjusha from English department. Today I am going to take you through all the different themes in our English department stall. The first stall that we have arranged here is Know Your Personality. Know Your Personality and the word puzzle that we conducted here and the body language theme that we presented here is very crucial to the present times, because the present time, the generation, if they want to bag the opportunities, they must attend interviews. To succeed in the interview, they need to know what is their personality, how they must pose themselves in front of the interviewer, and also what kind of language. Best presentation through English only can help them to bag the opportunities. So that keeping in view the present demand among the youth, we have displayed these themes. The third theme here is we presented the theme how English language is going to act as a lingua franca to celebrate Indian unity in diversity. So as you all know, OTT theatre is a popular theatre now. Everybody watches movies these days only on OTT platforms. Now this has facilitated the subtitles that are displayed in the movies are always in English, through which the English subtitles are enabling the audience to watch movies in other regional languages. And when we watch movies in other regional languages, we are not just being entertained, we are also being introduced to the culture and the trends of the other states and other regional people. Thus we are able to really build a psychological bond with all the continents of the states of the country, cultures of the country, and thus we can really celebrate the unity in diversity only through English. That is the theme that we presented here. And we go little further here. We have presented an artifact which is made by one of our senior students, Pranati. She designed whole of this on her own. And our concept is, the biggest challenge to the human life is death. And Keats always wanted to defeat death. And how did he do it? He do it through his art. And this poem, Ode to Nightingale, is specially written by Keats, expressing his desire to defeat death, and he defeated death by escaping into his world of immortality, and that is not heaven, it is the forest of Nightingale. So we put a miniature of forest of Nightingale, which is the world of immortality of Keats. Now coming to our main theme of the whole display is Wuhan Laboratory, and our concept is Frankenstein might save the world. How is it that English people has to do something with science and technology? COVID is of course a science theme, but we know from the days of science started to show its impact on the society. Literature has always warned against the adversities of the science, and Frankenstein, a created character by Mary Shelley, a romantic writer. Also, Frankenstein also is a product of failed discoveries and failed scientific experiment, and our idea, romantic thought is, if he were to come into present world, he would come and run to Wuhan and destroy the Wuhan laboratory, so that the whole world can be saved from the adversity of COVID-19 pandemic. It is our central concept. Now moving a little over here, we can see the Frankenstein there, an interesting depiction of Frankenstein. Now a little more here is our art gallery. The theme of our art gallery is the English writers and their Indian regional counterparts. Generally, international English writers are compared with Indian English writers. But there is a lot of talent in the Indian regional languages who are of international English writers standard. So we have created 10 charts comparing 10 regional writers with 10 international writers. Most importantly, we compared our famous local Ranganayakama Garu, Telugu objective rational philosopher, with international objective rational philosopher Ayn Rand. So though Ranganayakam Garu is equal in the competent of Ayn Rand's objective rationality, we forget to mention her, we forget to shed light on her theories of objective rationality. And the other important thing is Joshua Garu. Joshua is celebrated only at the local level, but Nobel laureate, he is equivalent to the status of Nobel laureate Ole Soyinka. They are the first voices from the downtrodden and marginalized communities, so we highlighted them. How many of us know that Assami people also write literature? But it is very few people know. So we also presented this chart where we compared Assami writer Temsula Oo with Lee Merkel, Canadian fourth world writer. So through this art piece, we want all the audience to please pay attention to the regional languages. Here comes the end of our presentation. I wish, and we also received wonderful response from the visitors, and we continue to do it even further. And also thank all the Vice Chancellor for giving this opportunity, and also the Journalism Department for giving us this opportunity to convey to the larger world. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మేడం ఫర్ షేరింగ్ దిస్ వాల్యుబుల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. చూడండి ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు కూడా వచ్చి ఇక్కడ చాలా మంచి వాల్యుబుల్ అండ్ యూస్ఫుల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంది ఇంగ్లీష్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ వాళ్ళు ఏర్పాటు చేసిన స్టాల్లో. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.